Well, the ground clamp on my Hobart welder has gone all floppy. The spring in there has given up. So I bought this one at Harbor Freight. You can get them on Amazon and all over the place, but it was cheap, quite a bit cheaper at Harbor Freight. I want to say it was $14.50 or something, right at $15. They had a cheaper one that was about $7.50, but I thought this one was kind of cool looking, so I got this one. It's solid brass, and it's got a pretty dang strong grip to it. So I thought, you know, I can probably just stand stuff up in there and let this hold it and weld. And it's heavy; it won't be, you know, pulled off the table very easy and stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna give this one a try. So I got to get this one apart. Alright, so this one just has a little clamp up in there that you drop it in. I guess this thing's supposed to crimp around it. It's kind of weird looking, but you know, I think I'm going to, how hard would it be to just take that off for now? Get that out of the way. So, you know, I might just shove that whole connector up in there, because it looks like it's going to be too small anyway. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I think I got a nice solid connection. Alright, pretty sure that's not what the manufacturer intended. But it was way too long for my needs here. Still may be. Okay, so I guess we can take that off. Alright, so I think I'm ready to get back to welding. Well, if you've got this same issue going on, this one looks like a good clamp. Very easy to change. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.